rolling.
Okay, here we go.
Can Bunny be between your legs?
Sure.
Yep, we're gonna be quiet for just a minute.
Quiet?
Yeah, zero voice for just a minute.
Just till I finish setting it up. All right, I'm gonna try to do this without directions, as usual. Looks promising. Okay, that's pretty nice. Two people could definitely lie like that. Out of windows. I don't know if I dare try to put it back without directions. Nope, that wouldn't be good. I think I'm gonna have to read the directions to put it back. Feels pretty good, considering $40. Oh, sandbags, that's right. All right, we're gonna try it out.
I want to get it in it when it's finished.
Okay, hold on. We'll try it out. We'll try it out on the beach soon, but we still have snow here in Vermont, so. All right, stay beachy out there.